Hello everyone, my name is Hong Tho. I will be a fresh graduate from School of Industrial Management at HCMUT, and studying at HCMUT has given me the chance to be one of 7 Vietnamese undergraduates to receive the fully funded scholarship from Temasek Foundation and National University of Singapore, where I had the chance to build not only my leadership but also connections and other skills, all the important soft skills, for example, cultural intelligence and networking. Traditionally, when people encounter the word industrial management, they would think of something that's very engineering and also something that we just normally surrounded by the stuff, engineering stuff in factory. But beyond that, we got to learn a lot more fields. For example, business administrations, finance, and also marketing. But I think the most important aspect of industrial management is learning how to put human into the center of every decision making in business and organization. I was so thrilled to announce that I'm currently a management trainee in one of the biggest corporations in flight insurance, and I'm currently discovering my real industrial work life through the lens of flight insurance. I believe that the biggest factor that drives that success is all of the learning and all of the skill that I have the chance to develop and gain throughout 4 years at HCMUT, from my faculty members and also the supportive from all of the staff members at the university as well. And in the near future, I would like to maintain my connection and also networking with all of the faculty members to continue doing the research on management perspective. And beyond that one, I would like to return to our university as an alumni to empower all the female engineering students to go beyond your limit.